Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. If you're trying to connect your PC or laptop to a separate monitor and nothing shows up or you can't hear anything, this might be a problem with the HDMI port, cable, or settings on the PC. In this video, I'll show you the best 6 methods on how to fix it. Let's go. Your HDMI cable transmits high-definition visuals and audio from your PC to an external device such as a monitor, TV, or projector. If you have connected the cable to the HDMI port and the external device, but you still cannot see any video, the problem might be caused by one of these factors: the source device, your PC, the external device, your monitor or TV, the cable, or wrong settings on your PC or laptop. In all cases, your external can result in a screen displaying black or showing a message stating no input, or a screen appearing pixelated or distorted. The first thing you have to do is to ensure that the cable is inserted correctly. Make sure that the cable is securely plugged into the HDMI port. Second, if your current HDMI cable is not functioning properly, it could be the cause of the issue. Disconnect the cable in use and switch to a different one to determine if this resolves the problem. Should you observe any signs of damage, such as breaking or fraying, it is advisable to obtain a replacement. If you don't have a spare, I recommend trying the cable on other devices, like your TV, to ensure the cable works. If the cable works, next is to test your computer if it is the problem. Afterwards, check also if the HDMI port is too loose if you have them. Sometimes a loose connection can cause the screen to flicker or go black. Try another source device like a DVD player. If this works, you'll know the problem, that it is your PC or laptop. Inspect also your laptop's HDMI port for any signs of damage. There may also be dust and dirt that may cause the port to stop working if it's clogged with debris. Next, check the display settings on your laptop. Press the Windows logo key and the P key on your keyboard at the same time. A list of the following display modes will appear. The PC screen only means it only uses the main display. The duplicate shows the same content on both monitors. Extend combines both screens to offer an extended desktop. And lastly, the second screen only uses only the second monitor. If the mode is set to PC screen only, try selecting a different one to see if the images appear on the screen you've connected via HDMI. To keep your Windows operating system and other Microsoft software up to date, you can use Windows Update, the free Microsoft service. However, you may also want to check your graphics driver manually from time to time. Open Device Manager by typing it in the search box. Choose Display Adapters from the list of devices. Then right-click on the one you want to update. Select Search Automatically for Drivers. For Windows, to search for your computer, the best available driver, and install it on your device. To ensure optimal performance and functionality of your software and programs, you should always install the latest updates. Updates may also resolve any problems with your HDMI port, and here is how you can check for available updates. Go to Start, open Settings, and proceed to Windows Update. On the Windows Update tab, click Check for Updates. Upon checking for updates, review what's the latest update from Windows, then you can now download and install. Lastly, restart your laptop. But before that, disconnect first your HDMI cable from the port. Then, now navigate to the Start menu. Select the power button, and then opt for Restart. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.